Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very powerful strategy I want to show you guys to share to grow a very small account to the highest amount you can ever imagine. So this strategy works very powerfully and is just based on price action and technical analysis. There is no magic, there is no miracle attached to it, just pure price action following the rules of the market. So I'm going to take you step by step and show you, I'm going to take you by the hand and show you step by step how to apply this strategy and make money from it. Okay, so this is boom 500, right? So I'm going to show you this strategy. Now if this is what you like and is what you want to see, please smash the like button right now. Smash the like button, like this video, and if you are new, subscribe to this channel and turn on the post notification bell so whenever I drop a new post you get notified. All right, so you can see this account is just a small one. It's a small one. Meanwhile, check the link, description link box in this video. There is a link there to my Telegram channel, a Telegram link. Click the link and join my Telegram channel right away. That is where I keep dropping free signals, free chat setups on daily basis, and that's where I give tutorials, very effective and helpful tips on how to become profitable in trading. So click the link in the description box there and join our Telegram, join our community right away. Okay, now let's go straight into the video. Meanwhile, as you can see, this is a small account of about $17, right? And then we are on a trade on boom 500, and then here we have gotten up to this $37. So you believe that I've held this trade for a while. Okay, this is because for you to be able to get this, you have to be able to hold the trade for a while. Now I did a top-down analysis. I'm going to show you how to do this top-down analysis for this particular for this particular strategy. Okay, so starting from the daily time frame, you can see it already. All right, now when you open the market on the daily time frame, this is it. When you open the chart starting from the daily time frame, you can see what the price is doing. So the direction of the price is upwards, right? The market is bullish right here. So what you want to see is the market giving you this kind of setup. So we have a kind of channel here. This is a channel, right? This is a channel, a bullish channel, right? So it's going up, it's going upwards. Can you see that? That is it. So just pick your tools and then mark it out. Apply your tool on the low. This is it. I got this, so I place it on the low here. I place it on the first low, connected it to the second low, and then the third, just extending it in that order, right? And then you can see what happened. I extended it in that order. Now waited, and then we had a breakout. I wanted to just see price keep doing this, right? This is what price does always. This is how it happens. Now you can see, and then I wait for a breakout. So we got a breakout here, then a retest. You know, my strategy is the break and retest strategy. That's what I always use. Go watch all my videos. You are going to see that most of the strategy I use, even if it's an indicator I'm using to teach, it is always going to boil down to the break and retest strategy. That's what I always do. That's what I know how to do, and that's what I teach my students. It works perfectly well according to price action. Now look at it. You see here we got a breakout and then a retest. Now I taught my VIP students the components of a structure, right? Because this breakout here, I expected to break a structure, which we got here. A structure was broken. Now I taught them the components of a structure. When you have a structure like this, there are some components in it that you need to take note of. That is what will give you clue of where price is going to, bounce from. All right, so one of those components is order block, which we saw here, right? This is the daily order block, as you can see, and I marked it out with my tool. As you can see, I marked it out with this orange box here, and then I waited for price to go back into it. Now you know that this is daily time frame, so it's going to take time. You wait for it, maybe some days. So this actually happened. I was not able to catch it when it's entered here. Okay, so I was not able to catch the trade when it got to this my order block, so I actually missed out on that. So I had to wait. Also, I had to go down to lower time frame, use the same strategy, and then find an entry point for myself here. So let's go down to lower time frame and see what it's giving us. Okay, this is the 4 hours time frame. I came to the 4 hours time frame. Now during this retest, it's going to give us what we call retracement. That is what you are seeing here on the 4 hours time frame. This is a pullback, a retracement that you're seeing here, and you can see, okay, it still gave us the same structure, the same kind of setup that it gave us on the daily time frame. Okay, it still gave us the same thing, a channel, right? A bullish channel also, and this is it. So with that, you know that this is where you place your tools, and you are waiting for the same break and retest. And so it actually happened. So now after placing these two, I go down to lower time frame. Let me see. Okay, so I scale down to the 30 minutes time frame like this. Let me see the breakout. Now this, you can see, although it has become very smaller, it has become kind of large, rather. It has become large and confusing. You may not be able to see. So this is it. This is it here. Now this is the trend line I drew below, one of the lower channel. This is it. This thing I can see here, the orange color stuff. That's it. So you can see this is where we had the breakout. Now I should have also been able to get it here. I should have also been able to catch this if I was able to, detect here, apply the same strategy here, but I did not. Maybe I missed it out. Okay, so I actually missed out on that one. So if I had been able to do that, I would have caught this trade around here, maybe taking my profit around here also. Then this retest, during this retest, I'll be able to enter again, come here, maybe take first profit here and all of that. So, but since I was not able to do that, I had to also find a way somehow to enter this trade. And we know that this retest has been completed already, so I have missed out on that very one. I have to still scale down to find out use this same strategy and find out an entry point for me. I have to micro zone it, right? So what I did, let me zoom in a little. Okay, this is it. Now after this has happened, after this whole thing has happened, so I still came down. I was able to see this. Look at it. This is a structure that has been broken again from that same thing. So I wanted to watch the retracement. I decided to watch the retracement. I use my tool here. Okay, you can see this one is remaining here. Let me bring in the other one. Okay, let me go down to 15 minutes time frame. This is 15 minutes time frame, so that you can see properly. This is it here. Don't mind the way it is even. Okay, so I take my trend line again. This is it. I was able to draw this same thing. Guys, this is how the market works. So when price broke out of this structure, actually this is it, the way I drew it. If you don't know how to use the trend line, you don't know how to draw it, you need to check in this channel, watch my video where I taught how to draw a trend line, right? Trend line that works, so that I can make profits with it. So this is it. I drew the same thing here and then waited for a breakout of it. Price broke out of it. Then the same thing I taught you about the components of a structure. So I have it here. This is it. Another block also. This is just one of them. There are about 3 components of a structure that every trader should know. If you want me to make a video, a full tutorial, detailed tutorial on it, the 3 components of a structure that every trader should know, let me know in the comment box below and I will make a video quickly, right? So this is it. I have my other block here, which is one of the components of a structure. Then price came into it, and then I waited, saw all these rejections, right? Price rejected and then broke out. During that rejection, it was creating a level like this also. So it created a level. So as soon as price broke out of it, I was satisfied. I've seen all my conditions, so I could enter. Stop loss. So this is it, and you can see this is the 15 minutes time frame, and on the 15 minutes time frame we've got this number of candles already. Okay, so we are heading to almost 40 dollars or 40 something dollars from this single trade. And meanwhile, I'm putting my stop loss there, my take profit where it is, where you can see it here. I'm putting it here because I just want to, you know, I believe maybe after a while it will still spike a little, then I'll find another entry opportunity, but I just want to lock in this one first, so that any other thing I'm risking, I know that it is from the profit I got from this trade that I'm using to risk. So anyhow it goes, it will not touch my capital. That is how I run my trading. Okay, so if I'm risking, I'm using what I have made already from this trade to risk, not my capital again. That's why you can see where my take profit is here. It's my take profit. So after that, I wait for a pullback, and when the pullback happens, I will still apply the same strategy to find out the exact point I should enter. That is how this whole thing works. That's how we trade boom and crash. That is also the way we use it to catch spike. This strategy is very simple. If you don't understand, scroll back and watch this video again. Just rewind and watch it again. Meanwhile, let me give a recap on what I did. So I came to the daily time frame. Okay, this is daily time frame. Came to the daily time frame. I saw that price was going up. I checked, it was giving us this kind of structure, so I was able to draw my channel here. I saw it was a bullish channel, so I was waiting for price to go give us a breakout of this channel, and this breakout must break a structure, right? It must also break a structure, which means what we have is not just a breakout but a change of character. That's what it's called, a change of character. Change of character. Chalk. That's it. So when it gives me that, the next thing I want to see is price to go back, retest my order block. All right, retest my order block, and then when you retest it, that is where I want to see candlestick rejection, showing a candlestick showing me that price is being rejected. And if I should zoom in, you will see the kind of candlestick I got here. You can see this is it. All these candlesticks with long wicks, long upper wicks, those are signals, the accurate signals I need to enter this trade. You can see, even if I have used a pending order, this is it. The drawdown would have been very low, very minimal. You can see almost zero drawdown. Then you can see how the price is moving smoothly to down, and it's almost at my TP. So this is how we do it. Now, since I missed the earlier entry, I will still scroll down to lower time frame, and then I was able to, you know, do the same mapping again. I went so on the 4 minutes time, on the 4 hours time frame, I did exactly the same mapping here. Okay, so I waited for the breakout, and then I got the breakout. Now when I got the breakout, I had to also scroll down to lower time frame. Okay, you can use 30 minutes or 15 minutes, whichever you choose. It works there. Then when I got the breakout, I waited for a retest. Okay, this was a retest, so it gave me a structure. Actually, let me just zoom in so that you can see. It gave me this same structure, and then that was how, as it gave me the same structure here, I just marked it. This is it. It's very simple. I just marked it with my tool, also connected the highs and the lows like this. Price broke out of it. As price broke out of it, I also went back to, you know, look for one of the components of what do you call it, one of the components of structure. So what I got here was another block, which is one of them, just one of them, and then I waited for price to return back to it, and then this is it. And that's where it started dropping. As soon as I saw it, while it was dropping, actually, while it was going back to the test, it created a kind of level here, a pattern, which is this orange line you are seeing here, which I drew. So as soon as I saw a breakout of it, that was where I entered. Then my stop loss was above here, right? And you can see this is amazing, guys. Look at how it has moving smoothly. Like, it has moving smoothly. This is it. It has been moving smoothly, and you saw how much we've gotten already, and this is very close to my take profit already. This is already very, very close to my take profit. This is it. You can see, and this is going to hit the take profit effortlessly. That is how you make money from trading. So if you like what you just saw now, please smash the like button, and then share this video to your friends. Also if you are new to this channel, hit the subscribe button, subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notification bell, and also check the description box. You are going to see a link to my Telegram channel. Smash the and click the link and join our Telegram channel. There I post free signals, free chat setups and free tips on how to become successful in trading. Okay, so there you can also join my mentorship programs which you have, and that is what I encourage people to do. Join my mentorship programs. I teach people how to become successful in trading. I teach the component, the very components of a structure. Okay, when you see market structure, people teach market structure, but they won't teach you the components. And this is what I do, because it is with the components that you know where the exact point to enter a trade. Now this trade is running smoothly and we are making a lot of money already, growing a small account, a tiny account. Just let me, as you can see, this is where we are at the moment. This is where we are at the moment. We are up to 43, right? At 43, that's it on a very small account. That's how to grow account. Okay guys, so use this strategy and make money. All right, is there anything you want me to do? Let me know in the comment box below. Okay, and also tell me where you are watching from. All right, thank you guys. This is the Father saying it can only get better.